How to find nearby posts and stories on Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon at the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, allow it so the map can display nearby posts and stories. Once the map opens, you will see location markers representing posts and stories shared by users around you. You can zoom in or out or move around the map to explore posts from nearby areas. The feature also allows you to see posts and stories shared by friends who have enabled location sharing. This makes it easier to discover trending spot, local event, or just fun posts nearby. To manage what you see, make sure your location settings are enabled and you can control visibility if needed. Tap on a location marker to view posts or stories in full screen. Now you know how to find nearby posts and stories on Instagram Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.